In this video, I'll detail how to delete apps on an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to delete application on the iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. You can do this on all applications you installed on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Then on the General page, you want to scroll down until you get to iPhone storage and click on that. Then under iPhone storage, you're going to have access to all the applications you have installed on your iPhone. Then if you couldn't see all on this page, just come here, click on show all. Then once you tap show all, locate the application you want to delete on your iPhone. So just search through the application that you want to delete on your iPhone. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete one of the applications I personally installed on my iPhone. And that is the Tone application. So you can just come here, so search for the application like this. Then once you find it, click on the application, then tap delete app. Then you're going to see what that says deleting this app will also delete all its documents and data. This action cannot be undone. Go ahead and click on delete app. Then hang on. And once the application is deleted, you can just hit the back button and the application will also be deleted and removed from your home screen. So that's it. So that's how to delete an app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.